Alright, quick tip here for you from 77 Rockets Woodworking. So I have all my rails and stiles laid out for my cabinet drawer faces, and the same concept applies for cabinet doors. So I like to set them out as is, as they would be. Now obviously there's no center panel yet, but I like to label all my pieces. So here I have my A rail style, B rail style, C rail style, D rail style, and whatever the application may be, so on and so forth, ED, EF, whatever. It just helps me stay in line with all my pieces. So obviously these are all milled down and cut, so they're at their final dimension. They're going to change a little bit with sanding eventually, but you get the point. So I do this before I slot out my dado grooves in the center. So yeah, key point, just label stuff, helps you stay organized, helps you stay set for your project. If you like this video, check out these other videos. Thanks for tuning in. See ya next time.